Are you struggling to gain muscle no matter how hard you train? If you're tired of slow progress, you might not be doing the right exercises. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best exercises that will help you build muscle faster than ever before. These compound movements hit multiple muscle groups, activate more muscle fibers, and stimulate massive growth. If you want bigger arms, a broader chest, stronger legs, and insane strength, watch till the end. Exercise number 1. Deadlift, the king of mass building. The deadlift is one of the most powerful exercises for overall muscle growth. It works almost every muscle in your body, with a major focus on the back, legs, glutes, core, and forearms. The reason deadlifts are so effective is that they allow you to lift heavy weights, which leads to high muscle recruitment and strength gains. This exercise also increases testosterone and growth hormone levels, both of which are crucial for muscle growth. To perform a deadlift, start with your feet hip-width apart and grip the barbell just outside your knees. Keep your back straight and core tight. Then push through your heels as you lift the bar up, fully extending your hips at the top. Lower the bar slowly and under control to maximize muscle activation. The key to making deadlifts effective is keeping your form tight and avoiding rounding your back, which can lead to injury. Exercise number 2, pull-ups, the ultimate upper body builder. Pull-ups are one of the best exercises for developing your upper body, especially your lats, biceps, and core. Unlike machines or isolation movements, pull-ups force your body to work as a unit, leading to greater strength and muscle activation. They also help improve grip strength, which carries over to other lifts like deadlifts and rows. To do a pull-up, grab the bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width. Engage your core, pull your shoulder blades down, and pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Lower yourself slowly for maximum tension on your muscles. If pull-ups are too difficult, start with assisted variations or use resistance bands. If they're too easy, add weight with a dipping belt to keep progressing. Exercise number 3, incline dumbbell press, the secret to a bigger chest. If you want a well-developed chest with upper pec definition, the incline dumbbell press is a must. Unlike the flat bench press, which primarily targets the middle chest, the incline press puts more emphasis on the upper chest and shoulders, creating a fuller, more aesthetic look. Using dumbbells also increases the range of motion, allowing for a deeper stretch and better muscle activation. To perform the incline dumbbell press, set the bench to a 30 to 45 degree angle. Grab a dumbbell in each hand and press them above your chest. Slowly lower them down until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle, then push them back up while squeezing your chest at the top. Keep your movements controlled and focus on feeling the stretch and contraction in your chest. Avoid bouncing the weights or rushing the movement, as this reduces effectiveness. Exercise number 4, Bulgarian split squats, the leg growth hack. When it comes to leg development, Bulgarian split squats are one of the most underrated exercises. This single leg movement targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, while also improving balance and mobility. Unlike traditional squats, which can sometimes lead to muscle imbalances, Bulgarian split squats force each leg to work independently, ensuring equal development. To do this exercise, stand in front of a bench and place one foot behind you on the bench. Lower yourself until your front thigh is parallel to the ground, then push back up through your heel. Keep your core engaged and your torso upright to prevent leaning forward. This exercise burns, but that's how you know it's working. If body weight is too easy, hold dumbbells for added resistance. Exercise number 5, overhead press, the key to bigger shoulders. If you want wide, powerful shoulders, the overhead press is the best exercise. It targets the delts, triceps, and upper chest, while also engaging your core for stability. Unlike machines that isolate one muscle at a time, the overhead press forces your body to work as a unit, leading to better strength gains and overall muscle development. To perform this movement, grab a barbell or dumbbells and hold them at shoulder height. Press the weight overhead while keeping your core tight and your lower back neutral. Lower the weight slowly and under control to maintain constant tension on the muscles. Avoid arching your back too much, as this can lead to injury. If the standard overhead press feels too difficult, start with lighter weights and focus on perfecting your form before increasing the load. Bonus tips for maximize your muscle growth. If you want to build muscle fast, you need to focus on heavy, compound movements like these: the deadlift, pull-ups, incline dumbbell press, Bulgarian split squats, and overhead press are some of the best exercises for stimulating muscle growth and building strength. Incorporate them into your training routine. Progressively increase the weight and ensure proper recovery to see real results. Now it's your turn. Which of these exercises is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more muscle building tips. See you in the next one.